a local newspaper. It is dated October 9, 2013, and written by Rick Olivio, titled Asbestos Concerns Could Impact GTAC Mining Plans. I personally live and work in the area, so for me it is a concern. The article discusses how there may be asbestos and large quantities of it. On page 119, chapter 5, it discusses intentional orientation, which means having the tendency to view people, objects, and events in terms of how they are talked about instead of how it actually is. Right now, reading this article, I feel it is a terrible thing for our area. Even though the article states there may be asbestos, the article portrays it as if there is. Depending on who is doing the talking, the mining can be a good thing or a bad thing. This particular article gives me the impression it is a bad thing for our community. Reading the article, I can also feel some strong emotions that are being exposed about the mining. On page 155, chapter 7, it discusses emotions are communicated verbally. Reading the article, I feel one of the speakers is angry about the mining. He has even stated his distrust in the company. Also in the article, a meeting of the committee will be scheduled, but the GTAC officials are not invited. Both GTAC and the committee should use conflict management strategies as discussed on page 250, chapter 11. Their goals, emotional state, and assessment of the situation should be looked at more closely. The goals would be to provide employment for a much needed area, but at a safe level. The emotional state seems to come more from the community than it does the GTAC. Both sides should assess the situation and try to come up with a solution that would benefit both sides.